Based on reviews, I really did think they were going to be good, but now that I've got them put together and see from my own eyes, they have actually exceeded my expectations. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Angeline Cambridge bar stools, 29-inch set of 2, and this is how they're going to come to you. The assembly was really easy, only took about 10 minutes per chair. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. They give you everything else. All right, they are all assembled now, ready to go, and let me tell you, they look awesome. Based on reviews, I really did think they were going to be good, but now that I've got them put together and see from my own eyes, they have actually exceeded my expectations. All right, let me try to give you some close-ups here. The stitching and all the detail looks fantastic. I don't see any imperfections at all. I love the gray color. It looks great. These little buttons down here, they highlight and make it look real nice. And of course the paint here on the legs looks perfect. I don't see any imperfections there. So they've done a really, really nice job with these. So let's do some real world measurements on these. These pads are 17 inches wide. They are right at 1 foot, 12 inches deep. And the height is 29 inches, just like they say it is. Okay, let's do a comfort test. Are they comfortable? Absolutely. Yeah, they're very comfortable. Now, I'm not really sure on the weight limit on these. The fact that they're wood and all, I would imagine it's pretty high. I'm 205 pounds, no issues whatsoever. Very sturdy, and it feels good on my backside. In my opinion, these look great. They're well constructed, and I think they are going to look good pretty much anywhere you put them. We are giving these away as a gift, and I think the person that receives these will be very excited. Okay, I'm giving a thumbs up and a recommend, and if you're looking at these stools, I hope you found this video helpful.